But the fact that Britain's cities are relatively mild helps, as does its residents' love of feeding garden birds, providing the parakeets with a year-round source of food. There are now over 30,000 ringneck parakeets in British cities, and just 50 years after they first appeared, they've spread as far as Scotland. In winter, huge numbers come together at dusk, including 6,000 at a cemetery in Lewisham. The reason for this gathering is not entirely clear. Perhaps it's for safety, or extra warmth, or even to meet mates. But whatever the reason, it certainly brings a touch of the exotic to a grey winter's night. Just a few miles to the